Hey friends, welcome back to Learn and Success. I'm Jenifa. Today I'm going to teach you 50 useful English phrases. These are short, common phrases that people use every day to talk about daily life. They're great for all learners, from beginner to advanced, because they're easy to remember and they help you sound more natural when you speak. I'll explain each phrase using simple, clear language. Then I'll give you 2 examples. You can also repeat after me. All right, are you ready to sound more natural in English? Let's begin. Okay, let's start with the first one. 1. To sleep in. To sleep in means to wake up later than usual. For example, if you usually wake up at 7, but today you wake up at 10, you slept in. Examples, I love sleeping in on Sundays. We slept in and missed breakfast. 2. To drag yourself out of bed. This means you get out of bed even when you're very tired and don't want to. It feels hard. Examples, I had to drag myself out of bed at 6. She dragged herself out of bed after a late night. 3. To be up and about. This means you're awake and moving around, not lying in bed anymore. Examples, by 7, I'm usually up and about. He was up and about early today. 4. To throw something on. This means to put on clothes very quickly without thinking too much. Examples, I threw on some jeans and left. She threw on a hoodie and went out. 5. To splash water on your face. This means washing your face with cold water to help you wake up. Examples, I splashed water on my face and felt better. He went to the bathroom to splash water on his face. 6. To grab a bite. This means to eat something quickly. Examples, I grabbed a quick bite before class. Let's grab a bite on the way. 7. To skip breakfast. This means you don't eat breakfast. Examples, I skipped breakfast and felt awful later. She usually skips breakfast during the week. 8. To chug your coffee. This means to drink your coffee very fast. Examples, I chugged my coffee and ran out the door. He chugs 2 coffees every morning. 9. To whip up something to eat. This means to make food quickly. Examples, I whipped up some eggs. She whipped up a quick breakfast. 10. To fuel up for the day. This means to eat something that gives you energy. Examples, I need to fuel up before a long day. He fueled up with a big bowl of oats. Now let's move out of the house. 11. To head out the door. This means to leave. Examples, I grabbed my bag and headed out the door. She headed out the door at 8 sharp. 12. To hop on the bus. This means to get on the bus quickly. Examples, I hopped on the bus just in time. We hopped on the next one. 13. To beat the traffic. This means to leave early to avoid traffic. Examples, I left at 6 to beat the traffic. She always tries to beat the traffic. 14. To run late. This means you are behind schedule. Examples, I'm running late. I'll be there soon. He's always running late. To make good time. This means everything is going smoothly and faster than expected. Examples, we made good time this morning. I made good time and got to work early. Now let's talk about work. 16. To get cracking on something. This means to start working quickly. Examples, I need to get cracking on this report. Let's get cracking. We're behind schedule. 17. To plow through work. This means to keep working even when it's hard or boring. Examples, I plowed through all my emails. She plowed through the paperwork in one go. 18. To knock out a task. This means to finish something quickly. Examples, I knocked out the report before lunch. Let's knock out this project and take a break. 19. To be snowed under. This means you have too much work. Examples, I'm totally snowed under this week. She's snowed under with deadlines. Say it with me. Sorry, I'm snowed under right now. 20. To wrap things up. This means to finish something. Examples, let's wrap things up before dinner. He wrapped things up and went home early. Now let's relax in the evening. 21, to kick back and relax. This means to rest and take it easy. Examples, after work, I just kick back and relax. He loves to kick back with a book. 22, to catch up on a show. This means to watch episodes you missed. Examples, I caught up on that new series last night. Let's catch up on the last episode. 23, to crash out. This means to fall asleep very quickly. Examples, I crashed out at 10. I was exhausted. She crashed on the sofa. 24, to doze off. This means to slowly fall asleep. Examples, I dozed off during the movie. He dozed off while reading. Repeat after me. I dozed off on the couch. 25, to call it a night. This means to decide to go to bed. Examples, I'm exhausted. I'm calling it a night. Let's call it a night and go home. 26, to freshen up. This means to wash your face and feel refreshed. Examples, I went to freshen up before dinner. She freshened up after her workout. 27, to check your schedule. This means to look at your calendar. Examples, let me check my schedule and get back to you. He checked his schedule and said yes. 28, to pop into a shop. This means to go into a store quickly. Examples, I popped into the shop to buy some bread. She popped into the pharmacy on her way home. Say it with me. I'm just popping into the shop. Be right back. 29, to catch some fresh air. This means to go outside for a short time. Examples, I needed to catch some fresh air after that meeting. Let's go for a walk and get some fresh air. 30, to scroll through your phone. This means to look at apps or social media. Examples, she scrolled through her phone before bed. I was just scrolling through Instagram. 31, to do a quick workout. This means to exercise for a short time. Examples, I did a quick workout before breakfast. He likes doing short workouts at home. Repeat after me. Let's do a quick workout. 32, to brew some tea. This means to make tea. Examples, I brewed some tea while waiting. She brews a fresh cup every morning. Repeat after me. I'm going to brew some tea. 33, to tidy up. This means to clean or organize quickly. Examples, let's tidy up before the guests arrive. I tidied up the kitchen this morning. 34, to catch the news. This means to watch or listen to the news. Examples, I caught the news while eating breakfast. He likes to catch the news at 6 p.m. 35, to pick up groceries. This means to buy food or supplies. Examples, I picked up groceries after work. She went out to pick up some fruit and milk. 36, to send a quick message. This means to text someone briefly. Examples, I sent a quick message to confirm the meeting. He always sends a quick message before arriving. 37, to wind down. This means to relax after a busy day. Examples, I like to wind down with music. She winds down by reading. 38, to crawl into bed. This means to get into bed when you're very tired. Examples, I crawled into bed after a long day. She crawled into bed and fell asleep. 39, to drift off to sleep. This means to slowly fall asleep. Examples, I drifted off listening to music. He drifted off during the film. Great job today, my friend. You've just learned 50 real English expressions that people use every day. Thanks for learning with me. This is Learn and Success, and I'm Jenifa. Keep learning, keep listening, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.